Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best hiking gear on Amazon. If you're going to head out into the great unknown, you need to have the right gear at your side. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Carry this personal LifeStraw when hiking, camping, or traveling. A straw can filter up to 1,000 gallons of water. It stands out because you don't need chlorine, iodine, or any other chemicals. Drink with confidence as it removes at minimum 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites. It meets EPA filter standards. You'll love that it only weighs 2 ounces, making it lightweight and small enough to carry with you. It also comes in a sealed bag, ensuring it's clean and uncontaminated. You can buy a single straw or multi-packs of 2, 3, or 5. Unfortunately, you'll need to suck hard on the straw to get water to come through the straw. You'll also need to soak it before you use it for the first time. Number 2. Trailbuddy Trekking Poles. These aircraft-grade aluminum trekking poles are more durable than carbon fiber. Change the telescoping pole's height from 24.5 to 54 inches with ease, including when wet or while wearing gloves. The handles have a cork cushion, making them moisture-wicking and comfortable in hot and cold weather. They'll mold to your hands for a custom fit. Choose from black, blue, red, green, yellow, pink, purple, and aqua for your pole's color accents. They also come with 2 pairs of rubber tips, a pair of connectors, mud baskets, and a carrying bag. One frustrating feature is the adjustable wrist strap. It's easy to tighten but more difficult to loosen. They also lack the shock absorption qualities that other trekking poles have. Number 3. iGo Store Mini Compact First Aid Kit. This convenient first aid kit packs everything into a carrying case. It packs 85 supplies that help you treat small cuts, scrapes, minor aches, and injuries. 2 mesh pockets keep everything neat and orderly in the pouch. There are 2 full-way zippers securing the pockets. The pouch is even and waterproof, measuring 6 into 4.3 into 2.4 inches and weighs 0.56 pounds. A metal carabiner makes it easy to clip this kit onto your belt loop, backpack, or anywhere else. Your kit includes a first aid guide, bandages, gauze, alcohol pads, scissors, whistle, tweezers, gloves, and adhesive tape. Unfortunately, the band-aids inside aren't the best quality. You can easily replace them with the ones you'd prefer to have. The carabiner isn't very durable, which can cause it to break or snap open. Number 4. Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. Slip this paracord bracelet on your wrist and easily carry gear with you anywhere. You'll get a pack of 2 bracelets, one black and one orange. There are 5 survival gear essentials packed into this one bracelet. You'll have a fire starter, ferro rod striker, compass, emergency whistle, and 12 feet of military-grade paracord. This bracelet stands out from others because it's adjustable, so no worrying about getting the right size. It can adjust to fit wrists that measure 7 to 9.5 inches around. A durable buckle makes putting the bracelet on and taking it off easy. One drawback of this bracelet is that it's very stiff, so there's an extended break-in period before it will become comfortable. The compass can also be unreliable when determining north. Number 5. Tricine Survival Gear Kit. This versatile pack has everything you need to survive in the wild. It includes a compass, flintstone, emergency blanket, water bottle clip, whistle, tactical pen, flashlight, survival knife, wire saw, mini light, and an 11-in-1 multi-tool. Everything packs away into a compact black carrying case. When packed, it measures 6.6 into 4.3 into 1.9 inches and weighs 1.11 pounds. The outer case has a foam lining and is waterproof and shockproof. The tools are made of high-quality materials to ensure their durability. The whistle is aluminum and can reach 120 decibels. The tactical pen can break glass. The survival knife has an anti-rust steel blade. Unfortunately, the pack is hard to reload once you open it up. It also lacks durability compared to buying each of these tools individually. However, this kit is perfect for the beginner on a budget. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.